as a young person, you must have thought you were funny at some point, right? Did you?
How old are we talking about now?
I don't know. That's what I wonder about. When do you decide or realize I'm a funny person?
When I went away to college.
Not till you went away to college.
Not till I went away to college. Yes, I had to sort of get away from Brooklyn and my friends in Brooklyn, who I had known since I was like 8 years old. And I had no idea that I was funny. I never said anything funny or did anything funny. I would do impressions in my house and stuff like that, but never felt like I was a funny person in particular. And then for some reason I went away to school, and I started to make new friends, and they started laughing at me. I was kind of shocked, you know. I said, hey, that's kind of cool. These people, I guess I'm funny, you know. And most of it was very self-deprecating, because I started to date is what happened.
Ah, that's the case.
I started to date, and I was such an unbelievable loser that I would go on a date and come back to the dorm, and everybody was interested in what happened on my date. So I would sit there and talk about the date, you know, and that seemed to make people laugh.